Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Uwaz, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Guys, today I am going to be showing you how I achieved this natural summer glowy skin. If you want to see how I achieved this look, I'm talking about from foundation, concealer, contour, and all the orishi that goes with makeup. Stay tuned and keep on watching. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I think you should subscribe. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Hi guys, so before we get into the video, I'm just going to be doing my hair, my edges. I'm going to be laying them flat, and to do that I'm going to take this brush and with my Eco Styler gel. So a lot of you have been asking me how I lay my edges. So I take a little bit on my brush or my comb, and because today I'm wearing a center part, so I need to make sure this pattern is clear. I kind of curled my hair as well, so I'm going to concentrate on here. Just apply the gel slightly, so when I go ahead and pull my wig, it shows a clear pattern. Okay, now this is done. To make it lie down flat, I'm going to be taking my scarf and just tie it down for at least 5 minutes. Okay, now I think it's been less than 5 minutes or thereabouts, so I'm going to take off the scarf. It's still not very dry. Can you see it? Yeah, the scarf helps it to lay flat. It's still very wet because I didn't leave it up to 5 minutes. I'm running out of time, so I just have to rush things up a little bit. So first, I'm going to be wearing my Adesua unit. You guys, you can see. So that's what I'm going to be wearing. This wig is very simple and easy to wear, and it looks really nice. It's not too long. It's just a perfect size for an interview. Okay guys, let's put this on. It's very simple. You have the elastic at the back. So I'm gonna put this on. That is it, guys. Can you see? I'm just gonna fix the front, and yeah. As you can see, there's no glue. Yeah, the next step is for me to kind of lay my edges down and tie it down with a scarf. I have already gone ahead and primed my face. I use this Makeup Forever primer, step 1. So I'm using this because I'm going to keep the makeup on all day, and it's because I have oily skin, so it's going to kind of mattify my face. I've used that already. You probably can tell that my face is less shiny than it was initially. So I'm going to go ahead, because I don't want any shine, so I'm going to go ahead with my translucent powder from Laura Mercier. It's the medium dip. So I'm just going to put it around the areas I normally get oily the most. So before I go in with foundation, I will do this if I'm going to be out all day and I just don't want to see any shine. I've just taken a little bit on my blending sponge, so I'm going to dab that around my nose like so. These are like all the places I'll get oily the most, so I'm just putting that in first. Okay, now that is done, so we're going to move on to the foundation. For today, I am going to be contouring with this stick. It's a foundation actually. It's by Bobbi Brown, and it's Espresso color number 10 by Bobbi Brown. Yeah, I'm going to just put that first before even going in with my foundation, so that when I blend out, it will look natural. So we're trying to achieve a natural look today. So I'm going to be taking my contour brush, this it's a contour brush. I'm just going to blend that out before going in with foundation. I just need to blend that into the skin. I think this is blended enough. I'm going to go in with my foundation now, and today I am going to be using a Nars Natural Radiant Foundation in color Macao. So that's my shade. So I'm going to just take a tiny bit on at the back of my hand. I think I took 3 pumps. The foundation is almost finished, so I'm going to take my foundation brush. I'm using this brush from Techniques. So I'm just going to, I'm going in the places where, oh, I'm going to take on the other side as well. Can you see this foundation? How it's exactly my shade? They're still looking crazy right now, but don't worry. I always like to put foundation on my neck as well, especially now that my neck is going to be exposed. So go down a little bit, just a tiny bit. So I literally finished the foundation. I could go in with a little bit more, but I'm going to leave it like this because I'm going to still use concealer, so I don't want it to be too heavy and looks like I've just packed a lot of foundation on my face. So I'm going to go in with the concealer now. Concealer I'm using today, it's also by Nars. It's the Amandi. It's also my shade as well, so I'm just using something very natural. I'm not going to highlight that much, but because we haven't slept so well, so my under eye is puffy, so I need to hide that. Okay, we finished applying that. I'm going to take the same foundation brush, pressing that in. I'm not rubbing, so I'm just going like that, pressing into my skin. Yeah, that is done. I'm going to do the same with the forehead as well. Take a smaller brush for the nose because I'm going to take this brush by Morphe. It's the M173. So I'm going to use that for my nose. That's done. Now I'm moving back with my brush, my foundation brush for my face, and I need to look up, so I'm not going to be talking while I'm doing this. I'm going to be looking up. Sorry for my facial expression. Yeah. Now that the foundation is complete, I finished doing my foundation, so I'm going to be taking the MAC translucent powder. It's a pressed powder, so I'm going to use that to set the concealer. Okay. Now you can see what I'm doing. I'm just pressing that in to set that concealer. I also have to set my eyelid as well because, you know, I'm very oily, so I'm just setting all the areas that I applied the foundation concealer. Yes. Okay, to ensure that I don't crease throughout the day, because I'm going to be leaving this foundation until the end of the day, so I'm actually recording this in the morning. So I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and just set underneath my eyes. Okay, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using a bronzer from this palette that I created by myself from Nars. I'm still adding some colors that I've not finished, so you can see I'm using this a lot. So this is the highlighter and this is the bronzer. So I'm going to take the bronzer, this color, and just bronze around my face. Okay, that is done. I think it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. So because my brow is not done, I'll still leave this on. I'm gonna do my brows now. Sorry guys, I forgot to press record. So for my brows, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow. If you guys want to see how I do my brows in detail, you can watch. I'm gonna leave a link here. You can go watch that video. It's all about brows and how I achieve my or define my brows. So today I'm just using this. Now that I've done my brows, I'm just going to dust off this because I'm almost done. For my highlight, I'm going to be using this. It's very subtle. So because I'm not doing any eyeshadows, I'm going to put that underneath my brow bone, so just to highlight that as well. And I didn't use any concealer to define my brow, so that would help. I'm going to be lining my eyes with the gel liner from Inglot, and I think the color is number 77. I'm just going to do a slight line. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that is done. You see that? Kind of just open up my eyes. That is it done, guys. I'm gonna move on to my lips and just do my lips off camera, and I'll come back to you guys. I'll leave all the names of the things that I use in the description box, so don't forget to check that out if you want to see everything that I use. Okay guys, this is the finished look and I'm all ready. Let me know what you guys think. Yes, this is it guys. It's not too much, it just looks appropriate. If you do like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for guys. Don't forget to support your girl, okay? Let me know if you enjoyed this look and if you like this video as well. If you have any request or any video that you would like me to do, leave that in the comment section, and I definitely will respond to all your comments. Guys, thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye. Oh,